Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's great. Do you have a machine in the box? Do you have a craft you want to learn? Please just try. Just go for it. Get it out of the box. Learn what it can do. Mess it up a bunch until it goes right for you. I ordered this Basswood off of Amazon. We'll see how it does. We got 5 sheets. Eight by 12. The first time I cut wood, like I said, it went great, but look what it did to my mat. This brand is really affordable on Amazon, but they don't last. Did not cut through the HTVRont. Well, maybe a little bit here it did. If you have tips or tricks about cutting wood, please leave me a comment. I think I'll rinse it right away since it held up so well compared to that other brand. I'm excited to do more wood projects. I really love how it's coming together. Literally just the one coat that dried overnight. I had a thought I will use up these Cricut sheets and this leftover other brand and maybe just cut a bunch more hearts since it went so great. Waste not, want not. just want to say the Cricut wood cuts fine, but the Amazon wood just cuts better. Okay, y'all, we got our Dollar Tree heart. We did the paint pour. We cut the banner and the hearts on the Cricut Maker. I did the chalk paint distress. I did the paint pours. And I'll do their name in the iron-on HTV. I think it'll look great. Okay, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I need a bright pad like Miss Pam. Y'all, I'm getting too old. I can't see. And the eye doctor said my eyes actually got better. Oh my goodness. But he didn't have me waiting in the office, did he? So I worked on this over 3 or 4 days altogether. I am so happy with where it's at, where it's going. We're almost done. In my Valentine's drawer, I have this bag of Dollar Tree wood cutouts. I have these little cute heart clips. And look, I know I don't think my Cricut can get as intricate as a Glowforge. I'm not crazy, but I know my Cricut can get this intricate. Two different heart shapes glued together on a clothespin. Leave me a comment. What do you think? I got these dry brush brushes at Michael's, Martha Stewart, in a 4-pack a couple years ago. And I just want to say, these are like my favorite dry brushes. I've gone through a couple of other brands that just did not hold up. These are obviously, they're on their last leg. I hope they still make them. These are just Walmart. They come in like a light blue and a purple, and I just love them. They really last. They're soft, they hold up, they're comfortable. This little rubber comfort grip is really nice. This doesn't come loose where the metal meets the plastic. I hope she's the one for him. But even if they're not, everyone comes into our lives for a reason or a season. And I really do adore her. And I'm so proud of the young man he's become. I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe.